Hi friends, good morning. This is Manish from live trading recording video. So here's the chart of Bhel. I have taken this trade on the buy side because this trend line has got break on the upside. Okay, so first target I am looking for is 46 this. Okay, and after that looking for 47. So let us see how this share will perform in the coming sessions. Here is my order book and I have just created a buy position in the Bhel future December contract 9:39 a.m. So my buying price is 45.45. Okay, so right now I am having a profit of 3000. Okay, so let's see how this share will perform. Till then, have a break. Hey guys, welcome back. It's 11:37 a.m. So as of now I have projected Fibonacci levels between these highs and these lows. Okay, so if we see carefully, it is holding the level of 38.2% retracement from these highs. Okay, and also I have drawn a minute wave structure, that is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and to complete this structure it has to go up to complete this wave 5. Okay, so we can expect wave 5 here at our targets 46 level, and above that we can also assume upside targets of 47. So let us wait for the rest of the session how it progress. Hey friends, welcome back. As we seen in the previous session that Nifty has formed a wedge structure, and in the ending session it gave a breakout about this wedge structure and this resistance. Okay, so I have immediately converted my position in the buy side and had a minor profit. This wedge structure targets fulfilled in today's opening session. Okay, after that Nifty is not breaking the low of the day. So what I have done here, that I have created a buy position taking a minor stop loss of 20 points. Okay, so this was my order 1146, one lot of the Nifty futures at 11,995, having a stop loss of 11,970. So I'm expecting a target of these highs and of this channels that is near the 11,980s and 12,000 zone. Okay, so let us see how the Nifty will perform in the rest of the session. Till then, meet you after 1 hour. Hi guys, welcome back. It's 2 p.m. around. Now we are having another structure of waves. So we can see that this is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, and this was a structure formed as A, B and C. So this is the corrective structure. Since this 38.2% retracement from these highs is still intact, so I am holding my position, okay, for the ending session. As long as it is above this level, I will not leave my position. I will wait. Okay, and talking about Nifty is moving upward as we have created a buy position, as Nifty was not breaking its low. So right now I am holding my position in the Nifty also. So this is my day's profit as of now. We'll see how the Nifty and Bhel will perform till the ending session. Meet you. Hey guys, welcome back. So Nifty moved up and it is right now in the 11,980s and 12,000 zone, between this range. So this is a profit booking zone for me on intraday basis. So I will book my profit here. Okay, and this is right now in this channel. Okay, if it rejects from here, so it will head to the ultimate target of 11,800. So that will be a matter of further discussion. As of now, I will square up my position in the Nifty. Okay, so here it is. So I've exited all the lots in the Nifty. Okay, and talking about Bhel, so Bhel is right now holding this level 38.2% retracement from these highs, and I'm waiting for just a little upper level to exit my position. Okay, so I will exit in the later half an hour. Till then, meet you at 3 p.m. Talking about Bhel is right now in the consolidation phase. So I will not wait for 3:15 p.m. I will square off my position now. So this is Bhel position. Okay, and I will square off this. So you can see that I have squared off all my position and my day's profit is around 8,000. Okay, unfortunately Bhel has not worked, and we'll see in the later sessions. I would like to give you some short information knowledge regarding patterns. So here's the chart of Tata Steel. Okay, and Tata Steel was forming a higher lows in the, we can see that this is the 15 minutes charts, and this pattern was formed. Okay, ascending triangle pattern. So this was the point 1, point 2, point 3, point 4, point 5, and we can see that this is the third touch on this lower trend line. There was a breakout in the opening session. Okay, and after that this was the retest. Okay, and after that we have seen that the good upside. Okay, and right now it is in this channel. So the upper target for the this Tata Steel is 420 zone. Okay, so one should keep an eye over this stock. Okay, hey guys, welcome back. It's almost the end of the equity session, 3:24 p.m. So as I expected that this was a profit booking zone and the Nifty is in this channel and is rejecting from this channel. So what we can expect here, Nifty is rejecting from this level. Okay, so we can expect more downside after a pullback as of now. For today, this much only, and we will meet in tomorrow's session. Till then, bye bye.